Presenting the multi-purpose butane soldering kit available from PowerProbe. This portable pen-style soldering kit can be used at the shop or in the field. No electric power is required. It has an electronic igniter and heats up quickly, reaching optimum soldering temperature in seconds. When using it as a torch, the flame easily adjusts from a ½ inch to 2½ inches and can reach temperatures up to 2,500 degrees. When using it as a soldering iron, the temperature can be adjusted up to 950 degrees. This kit comes with 6 accessory tips for a wide variety of applications. The standard soldering tip, used for most soldering jobs, the chisel tip, the wedge tip, the hot knife, the hot blower, and the shrink tube deflector. To use the soldering tool for the first time, simply fill the soldering tool with butane. Ensure the switch is turned to the off position. Insert the butane container nozzle vertically in the filling valve and hold for 5 seconds, then remove the nozzle. To ignite the soldering tool, make sure the air vents are fully open. Move the control valve to the low position, move the on-off switch up and to the right, and press the ignition to light the flame. When you're finished, the floating safety cap keeps the hot tip safe and away from your skin. There are many different types of solder. Use only rosin core solder when working on electronic circuits. Acid core solder will corrode connections. To clean your hot tip, just wipe it across the moist cleaning sponge. Quickly change the tips by using the 7mm and 8mm wrenches supplied in the kit. The portable soldering kit can be used for soldering wires, circuit boards, plastic welding, heat shrink tubing, and much more. For more information, ask your tool dealer or go to powerprobe.com.